Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify Metaobjects. Metaobjects are a powerful feature allowing you to define and store custom data structures within your Shopify store. Think of them as custom content types, enabling you to go beyond the standard fields for products, collections, or pages. They provide immense flexibility, letting you create rich, structured information like ingredient lists, size guides, or team member profiles, enhancing your store's content capabilities significantly. To begin, you'll create a meta-object definition in your Shopify admin under the Custom Data section. This definition acts as a blueprint for your custom content. You'll give it a descriptive name and then add various fields, like a single line of text for a title, a number field for a rating, or a file field for an image. Remember to set appropriate validation rules for each field to ensure data consistency and accuracy. Once your definition is ready, you can start creating individual meta-object entries. Each entry is an instance of your definition, holding specific data. For example, if you have a team member meta-object, each entry would be a different team member. You'll populate the fields you defined, then link these entries to relevant parts of your store, such as a product, a collection, or even a specific page, making your content highly organized. Finally, you'll want to display your meta-object data on your storefront. For simpler implementations, you can often connect meta-object fields directly to sections in your theme editor using dynamic sources. For more advanced layouts, you can access and render this data using liquid code within your theme files. This allows you to integrate custom information seamlessly into product pages, collection descriptions, or dedicated content pages, providing a richer customer experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.